So 8 turn. My viewer, my dreamer, Nicole Rave has been asking me to check out 8 turn for like the longest time. 8 turn XL. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. How old are they? 8 turn. They're young, right? 2002, 2001. Whoa, what is this? That's how I eat popcorn too. 2002, 2003. Oh, yeah. Everybody's getting younger. 2004, 2004. Oh my God, sorry. 2007. I like the earring. Dang. Flare gun. Oh, they're breaking into their school? You was still a game controller. Whoa. Oh, they badasses. Show them a red card. If you guys don't know that, it's like in soccer or football. I don't know if it's in any other sport too. Okay. Okay. They're not the security guard just chasing them down. What is he on? Is that like to clean the floors? Hey, Ohio State. Wait. Hey, yo. Oh, they look badass. They actually look badass. Ooh. Dang, who is this? Hey, yo, who this is? This is who I want to look like. Yo, kind of same hair, but not. I'm like the Wish version of him. Holy crap. Who is he? He's the oldest? Bro. Not the... Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he's bringing back the long shorts. Hey! Hey, I keep it going back to number 7. I like his outfit right here too. What the hell was that? No. They got him in a crop top. You know, they know what they do. Who is the stylist? Wait, all the kids are here? Oh, yo, I low-key almost bought this one time. Oh, maybe I should still buy it. I was gonna buy this for like a festival thing, but damn, that he's wearing it, it makes it look cool. Say that again? I like their outfits actually. Like I can't wear them because I'm not that skinny, but they look dope. Oh, he's wearing it backwards. His pants. Ooh. XXL. Yo, crop top is my fave so far. For sure. Yeah, I look good though. Holy sh! Right here. His outfits are fire. I like his blue hair too. Is this their debut? No, right? I think I've checked them out before on stream. Oh, actually surprised. I liked it. I like that. Y2K aesthetic. Yeah. Yo, who's the most replayed? Let me see. He's fire too. Dope transition edit too. Okay. So he's like 22 or something like that. Libra and Myungho Myungho. He's a Libra. Amazing. Instead of using 2 AirPods, he tends to only use 1. I get it. I see people do that. Him and Jaehyun call themselves the reliable math youngs. Oh, okay. Guy right here. Let me show you. This guy right here. He got my attention right here, bro. I don't know. It might be the eyebrows. Yeah, it's very good looking. Holy shit. This is who I think I look like when I take pictures and selfies. A-turn. Pretty good. Okay, Nicole. Who's your bias, Nicole? Say something. I'm putting you on blast. Minho? Oh, Minho. Nice. Minho. Oh yeah, the popcorn boy. He's a vocalist too. Oh yeah, he was fire right here. Youngyu. He's the rapper. I like this outfit as well. Needs to be very honest. Oh, they're at cake. I'm excited. Thank you, Nicole, for actually putting me on A-turn, because I'm going to KCON. I think I'll try to, and if I do see them, it'll be more of an epicness. Hopefully we get to meet as well, Nicole. I'm glad you put me onto them. Awesome. All right, bet. I got a new boy group to check out from now on. A-turn. Let's go, A-turn. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. I feel like anything R&B, low key. Sometimes you gotta like check the credits. It's like, oh, that is JUNNY. Anyways, JUNNY, very talented. You got Gecko. Gecko is did I say his name right? Gecko from Dynamic Duo. Damn, he's still rapping. But it's called Invitation. You already know this ish might be like R&B as hell. So without further ado, let's check out JUNNY, Invitation. Let's get it. Let's go.
Won't you crawl up in this bed with me? It cozy up in these sheets, girl.
Damn.
Whatever you please, yeah.
Off the bat?
I'ma keep it simple. If you could take this invitation and just come over to mine, I'll let you decide if you wanna just say so.
That right there. That right there. That right there. You see that right there? That's JUNNY right there. Let me. How you say it in the beginning?
You crawl up. Oh, yeah.
Want you? Oh snap. Tifa, thank you so much for subscribing. 19 month streak, 38 months. Let's go. Oh no, wrong. Tifa's like, damn, you gonna hit me with a Nicki Minaj zone. Start all over.
Won't you crawl up in this bed with me? It cozy up in these sheets, girl. Turn whatever you please, yeah. Look, I'ma keep it simple. If you could take this invitation and just come over to mine, I'll let you decide if you wanna just say so. Stay through the night, just me, head to JREAMERS, baby, 곁에 있어줘. I just wanna get close to you. All I wanna do is
He even got like the little bed head. That's funny.
Counting 3, 4, 5 and really much how we vibing.
Ooh.
Getting paid so I can treat you to a fine and dining.
Hey.
We are chauffeur, damn rates for you to come over. 오늘 밤만큼이 놓치고 싶어. I'll make it just one more reasons. 뭐 없어 맘을 알아줘, yeah. 짜릿한 our connection, do you feel inside? Baby, it's the love, so now all I can say is stay through the night, just me
and you. Hey, I wear my hats on my belt too. Oh my god, we got so much in common. That's a bad pause, by the way. He likes wearing his like. Somebody like putting my cap on my belt area. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I feel like that's like old school. This Gecko, right? Yeah.
Don't take it personal. 차가운 세상을 벗어나 공간의 풍경 고스너 깨지고 대환전보다 서슴없이 속도는 멈춤 없이 driving 조명을 아래로 내려 맘 가는 대로 올라타 차례대로
Me and you. Okay.
I just wanna get close to you. All I wanna do is take you to my place.
Hey, hey, hey.
Invitation, celebration.
Celebration.
Let me show,
Let them show you, girl.
celebration. All I wanna do is take you to my girl. If you need, just take your time.
Ooh.
No need to rush.
What is this? He's carrying a chandelier with him?
I got what you like.
Oh, he got the keys?
In your eyes, you know this
Ooh.
my invitation.
Bro, that was some AI generated ish. You literally put that ish into some AI shit.
Invitation.
That's dope though. That's dope. Oh, he got a lot skinnier, no? Or has he always been skinnier? Oh, nice little framing like it's a door. Interesting. First of all, I already knew he was gonna kill it. The man got a voice. The man can sing. The man can put some songs together, put some lyrics together, as you can tell. JUNNY's Invitation featuring Gecko. Go check it out. Link in the description. Go stream that ish. That shit was fire. I don't know.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.